Ever picture yourself strolling down a digital highway, a sleek briefcase handcuffed to your wrist? Inside, a fortune in cutting-edge tech, cryptocurrency. Sounds pretty cool, right? But where exactly do you store this digital gold? Maybe you've heard of crypto wallets, those virtual vaults that hold your precious coins. But with exchanges like Kraken offering their own built-in wallets, is a separate one even necessary? Let's dive into the world of crypto storage and see if Kraken's wallet fits the bill, or if you need something extra secure. Centralized versus decentralized, understanding your options. Imagine a bank, a trusted institution that safeguards your money. Now, imagine a peer-to-peer network, where everyone holds a copy of the ledger. That's the basic difference between centralized and decentralized storage in the crypto world. Centralized exchanges, CEX, like Kraken act like banks. They offer a user-friendly interface, fast transactions, and often robust security measures. They handle the storage and management of your crypto, making them ideal for beginners or those who value convenience. Kraken's built-in wallet falls under this category. Decentralized wallets, dApps, on the other hand, put you in complete control. You hold the private keys, essentially the digital password to your crypto. This offers unparalleled security, but comes with a steeper learning curve and the responsibility of safeguarding those keys. Security first, why storage matters. The unfortunate reality is that the crypto landscape isn't immune to cyber threats. Exchanges, despite their security measures, have been targeted in the past. So, how does this impact your decision? Kraken's security arsenal. Kraken takes security very seriously. They employ industry-leading practices like multi-factor authentication, regular security audits, and robust cold storage solutions to keep your crypto safe. However, even the most secure systems can be vulnerable. The decentralized advantage, taking control. This is where decentralized wallets shine. By holding your private keys, you become the sole custodian of your crypto. No exchange, no third party, can access your funds without your authorization. This eliminates the risk of exchange hacks and gives you complete control. Finding the right fit, weighing convenience and security. So, which option is right for you? It boils down to your priorities. For beginners and convenience seekers. If you're new to crypto or prioritize a user-friendly experience, Kraken's built-in wallet offers a great solution. Its ease of use and integration with the exchange platform makes it perfect for buying, selling, and trading crypto effortlessly. For security-conscious investors. If security is your paramount concern and you're comfortable with a bit more responsibility, a decentralized wallet might be the way to go. You'll have complete control over your crypto and eliminate the reliance on a third party. Kraken can be your crypto launchpad. No matter which storage option you choose, Kraken can be your gateway to the exciting world of cryptocurrency. With a wide range of supported coins, competitive fees, and a strong focus on security, it's a platform you can trust. The final word, it's all about choice. The beauty of crypto is its flexibility. Kraken offers a convenient built-in wallet, but the option to explore decentralized solutions remains. Ultimately, the choice depends on your risk tolerance and comfort level. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.